Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can fix the sound problem on Windows 11. Now, the sound problem is very basic. This normally happens when you have multiple hardware that can provide you with multiple sound hardware. So if I go into more settings over here, if I go into more settings over here, more sound settings, as you can see, I have quite a lot of hardware that can provide me with sound other than just my headphones. So if I for example, if I turn this on, I enable this, right? And if I change my default sound hardware to this one, I will now no longer receive any noise on my headset. So what you have to do is, there's two ways. Either you can come over here and select this, or you can come over to the system sound and select it from here manually. Now, if you want to make sure that your noise only comes out from your earphones and that's it, you don't want to get music or get any sound from any other hardware, you want to come over to more sound settings, scroll down and basically disable this. And also you can go into your basically go double click on it and go to advanced and set it the max quality, as well as your level. Make sure your level as well as the balance is correct, because if the balance is towards the left or right a bit, you might hear noise on one earphones more than the other side, and that could cause sort of a disruption. Okay, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.